Hey guys, Nick the Lawn Man here. Today I got the 40 volt brushless electric chainsaw, and I'm going to show you how to change out the blade, the chain, and oil her up, and we'll try her out. One thing I like about this machine is that it has the tool already on the machine, so you don't have to go around and look for it or try to stick it in your pocket or anything. Just a nice little handy spot right here. Slide in, slide out when you need it. Real handy. First thing we want to do, we want to take out the battery so that there's no accidents. Set that aside. We're going to loosen up the chain just a little bit. Then we're going to loosen her up. Take the chain off. Always leave it on there to set. Get my other chain ready here. See here on the bar here, it shows you which direction for the chain links to be. Always pay attention to that, because if not, you'll be repeating this process again. Put it on there. It's a 56 tooth count, 3/8 of an inch chain, so it's a universal chain, not particularly for a brand, so it makes it real nice. Get it all on there real good. Okay. And all back up. Keep pressure on it to hold it down. Just get a little bit of snug on there. Then we want to tighten it up a little bit. You want to tighten it to where it's a little easy. You can pull it apart and you can move it real easy on the bar. Less friction means less wear. Less wear means less maintenance. There you go. Blade has been changed. Uh-oh. Safety. Back on. Still got her tension. Let's go see if she'll cut now. Alright, we're going to see how good this chainsaw can cut now with this new chain. Get a little bit of slack. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. Oh, voila! Here's my tool. Let's check our oil. Looks like we're 3/4 way full still. Let's keep going. Well, it stopped working. So I don't know what to say about that. I don't recommend this chainsaw for anything bigger than 10-inch. This is a 12-inch right here. Up. But anyways, we've got this little small pile of wood right here. Not too bad for battery. Not complaining. Mow on.